Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr. Moorthy, Assistant Professor working in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is a lecture series of lean manufacturing. So in this lecture series, we have discussed about introduction to lean manufacturing and what are the basic elements of lean manufacturing and the application of lean manufacturing in the industries and how the lean manufacturing going to increase the overall efficiency and effectiveness of yeah, industry and then process or plan or production sector. And this is what we have discussed in the earlier videos, and here we are going to discuss about some lean manufacturing principles that directly affect the overall the manufacturing process. So first, the lean manufacturing principle is to ultimately to minimize the waste of the industry in the production process and the design phase and the during the inventory level. And here some of the lean principles are like value finding the values and value stream mapping, creating the flow and to finding the full process and to attain the perfection. And so this is what we have discussed earlier. And next one is and here already we have discussed that is the lean manufacturing is to differentiate the value added things and non-value added things in the industry. So here the values a capability to provide to a customer at the right time at an appropriate price defined by the customer. It may be either cost or quality or delivery. So we have to minimize the overall cost of the entire product as much as low, so that the customer is benefited to purchase from the market. And next one is quality. We don't need to compromise on the quality aspect with regards to the cost. So we need to find the as minimize as much as possible to reduce the cost by and without compromising the overall quality of the product. And we need to deliver the product to the customer at the right time. So, and next one is to specify the values, how they exactly find the point where are the process and it added the value to the process or industry. So, and next one is identify the value stream mapping. So that is we need to find the entire process that really added the value and eliminating the waste whichever the possible way. Next one is the creating flow, that we need to find the flow of the process or in the section that in the yeah, production flow. And here next one is the we need to find the perfection. So by means of following above things and definitely it is the possibility of achieving the perfection in the entire process, and that perfection will add the value to the product and process in the entire industry. So here the five principles of lean manufacturing and the finally the perfection. So as value is specified, the value streams are identified, wasted steps are removed, and the flow and pull are introduced. So as I said earlier, we have two section of process that we have in the industry, like push system and pull system. In the previous decade, we have a push system, that is as a industry they are manufacturing the product with some design with their own designs and some specification to the product, and the manufacturing the product, and they are delivered to the market. And so these things only available in the market. So as a customer, we don't have any other option than to purchase the whatever it is available in the market. But now the system is entirely changed. So that is the industry are seeking the feedback from the customer, like they are collecting the feedback, and they have a set of tools they are following and they are identifying the real need or the demands from the customer, and they are manufacturing the product that the customer is required. So by means of manufacturing the product based on the customer need or demand, so and if it is delivered or it is available in the market, and the customer is they are happy to purchase the product that is really suited their requirement. So that is what the lean manufacturing process is actually thought, and so that is what the main things with the lean manufacturing process. So thank you for watching this video.